The federal regulations governing farm program payments have become more and more complicated in recent years. That's especially true of Farm Service Agency rules regarding limited liability corporations or LLCs. Attorney Mark Meloney discussed those rules in a presentation to the Mid-South Agricultural and Environmental Law Conference, which was held virtually again this year.
How can the farming operations financing arrangements adversely affect farm program eligibility? Well, it gets back to that financing rule. I have seen farming operations where a family-owned entity owns land and leases that land to the farming partnership. Also, that entity may be guaranteeing the operating loan for the partnership, may be loaning the money necessary to the partnership, or may be borrowing the money from someone else and then loaning it on to the partnership. In that case, you have a loan made by, or perhaps guaranteed by, an entity with an interest in the farming operation. And those loan proceeds will not qualify towards a significant contribution of capital or to provide for the capital that is necessary to make a significant contribution of labor or a significant contribution of land or a significant contribution of equipment. If the partnership completely devoids itself of assets at the end of every crop year and relies solely on financing to obtain the capital necessary to operate, it is possible and quite likely that that partnership will not have funds from a permitted source to qualify for a significant contribution of capital, land, or equipment. In that case, the members of the partnership or the entity that's running the partnership, the entity that's conducting the farming operation, the corporation or the limited liability company, will not be able to make a significant contribution of land, capital, or equipment, and therefore will not qualify for farm program payment purposes. And this can be in a family situation where the same family members own the partnership and they also own the entity that owns the land. And therefore, you must be very careful in how you handle these financing arrangements.